Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another video. And today, I'm gonna be talking about the DJI video. If I what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And right now, I'm still learning, so I'm not gonna say take this with a grain of salt, but um, I'm not a aficionado. I don't know a lot about the action cam space. So I'm just gonna give it from my perspective. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through three videos, one at night, one with an overcast, and one during the day, so you can see how they look. Now, let's get to the night shot. Now,
all right, everybody, I'm using the DJI Action 2. It's at night.
As you can see in this night shot right here, it's really dark. It's grainy. It was snowing outside, so I took it out there, and the what is it called? The audio is not going to be as robust as the day shot is, because the audio is only going, you can't do the full audio because you're only using the top piece of the module where the camera is. So the audio is okay. But as far as the night shot, it's passable. Now it looks grainy. It's set at, I think, 24 frames per second, which kind of open the aperture a little bit more, so you can get more light into it. So I might have said that wrong, so don't get mad at me. So overall, I think is a decent shot. I don't do a lot of what video at night, so it's okay. I think it could be better, but it is what it is on that. When you look at this one coming up, the overcast one.
This is the DJI Action 2. This is the daytime shot.
I think it looks decent. Again, the audio is going to sound a little bit, not as robust, because if you're using both of the modules, the second module with the extra screen actually has more microphones on it. So you can have like a 360-degree type of audio experience. So right now you're only dealing with one mic right now, and it's okay. But as far as the footage, I think the footage looked pretty good. It's 4K. I think this is 4K, 30 frames per second. So I think it's pretty good. Now, as we get into the daylight shot is good. You get all the light. I think that is 4K, 30 frames per second.
How it looks when it's sunny outside with the Action 2.
And I really do like the way it looks. Day and the overcast look very, very good. So, overall, I think that I'm going to give the video quality, I'm going to give that I'm going to give it a 4. Because again, to me, it looks good. To me, it looks good. Now, I don't do a lot of nighttime video, so the nighttime could be hit or miss for me. You know, it can be, but for other people, that might be something that they really want to be able to do daytime and nighttime. So as you can see, the nighttime is not that good. It's grainy, but everything else was pretty good to me. So I want to give the video quality of the DJI Action 2 a 4. As far as the sound quality was okay, especially when you add the extra module with the extra mics. It sounds much better. So if you're using the one module, you're not going to be able to get the robust sound that you would if you use the module with the extra mics in it. So I think the sound is okay. I give the sound, for me, I give the sound I would say, I would give the sound a 4 or 3.5. I think it's worth that. It's not the worst sound, and it's straight out of the camera without using the mic. Because I'm using the mic right now, I think it sounds pretty decent. So I'll give it a 3.5, above average sound. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna try to do is try to give y'all updates as I use the DJI, as I think about my thoughts. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I'm in my car, as you can see, trying to do something new, trying to put it in a different location. So I thank y'all, once again for rocking with your boy. Hey, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm saying it again, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do me a favor, please give us a thumbs up. The more thumbs up, the more you share, the deeper in YouTube algorithm we go, and more people can, get to see the videos from this side of the YouTube space. Hey, again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted. Thank you for rocking out with me on another video. I got some more videos coming with the DJI Action 2. You have a good day. Peace.